If you're planning on immigrating to Canada as a welder, here are the best ways to make your move. The Express Entry system started in 2015 to fast-track skilled foreign workers and their families to become permanent residents in Canada as quickly as possible. As per IRCC's plans, the Provincial Nominee Program, PNP target, will be 110,000 immigrants in 2024 and rise to 120,000 in 2025 and another 120,000 in 2026. 11 of Canada's 13 provinces and territories nominate eligible economic immigration candidates for Canadian permanent residence via PNPs. You must have a work permit to work in Canada as a welder. There are generally two main types of work permits, the open work permit and the employer-specific work permit. You can apply for a temporary foreign workers permit, TFWP, once you secure a job as a welder. The Canadian government created several family sponsorship immigration streams, enabling Canadian citizens and permanent residents to sponsor their family members to become permanent residents. Family sponsorship programs are categorized based on the relationship between the Canadian sponsor and the sponsored family member. These categories are as follows: the Spouse-Partner Sponsorship Program, the Parent and Grandparent Sponsorship Program, the Dependent Child Sponsorship Program, the Adoption Sponsorship Program, the Adopted Child Sponsorship Program, the Other Relative Sponsorship Program, and the Canada Super Visa. Once successfully sponsored, aspiring welders can obtain an open work permit, unlocking the opportunity to contribute their expertise to the thriving welding industry in Canada. The best way to find welding jobs in Canada is to use accredited and authoritative Canadian online job sites like JobBank Canada, Indeed Canada, Robert Half, RipRecruiter, Monster Canada, LinkedIn, and GrabJobs. Make sure you have a great CV and all your certifications ready before you begin your journey to work in Canada as a welder. To learn more about how to immigrate to Canada, subscribe and visit CanadianVisa.org. Start your journey today.